Hey everyone, it's Rob from Calgary Photos, and I wanted to just start this new thing right now where we're all stuck in isolation and we've got nothing much else to do, to try and bring everyone together and start talking about how we can all keep on marketing through these tough times. And we're going to be bringing on people from all sorts of different areas, including mortgage brokers. We're going to talk to designers, we want to talk to stagers, and we want to talk to anybody out there who actually has an idea as to how to market in this really bad time. So if you want to join us, great. Hey, give me a DM and let's get started. And for now, it's just going to be me talking about what we can do to help you market through this pandemic. Honestly, we're also doing this because we're going a little bit crazy and we need to actually get something done. It's also a good reason to get away from the kids.